Akachuku, eh? What is keeping this girl now? Eh? Did she forget we have food to prepare this morning? No, sir. No, please, can you come back in the next 1 hour?
Oh, I'm hungry. Very much hungry.
Hi, Akachuku. Eh? What am I going to tell Madam if she comes back here? Eh? Just small thing I listened to get to Mama Emeka to pack for her. What is this one now?
Do you like the wine?
Die! I like a die!
How do you like it? Good.
Now you make me tell you. See, make you put them again. As you put them again.
Do you know I can do anything for you?
I will finish your again.
It's okay. Get me the glass. You know I can do anything for you. I love you very much. And I can marry you.
I never heard that one before. But this is your wine. Yeah, hunchback. You make brain. Make brain. I know, say, one day, Akachuku go drink wine. Papa me say, Akachuku one. Hey, me bundu. Wrong say. I see. Maya bundu. Daddy. Oluwana Fugio. Hi. Oh my man.
Are you okay? Come inside the room and sleep.
Please tell my Lord I want to see her.
No worries, I will join you very soon.
Nama, my daughter, so this is you?
How on earth did you know my name?
Nadu. I am your father, Romanus.
Miss Nama, how did you know? So how did your child get missing?
It's a long story. 22 years ago, when I was batting her outside, and because I was quarreling with the mother, so when I came back, she's gone.
Where is your wife?
My wife, she left me because I am poor to marry another man who is so rich.
Yes.
No. No. No.
Sir, just hold on a bit. I'll join you.
Hey! God, I thank you. Jehovah Eshata. Jehovah Elohim. Jehovah Karamasi. Abasi Ayaya.
What is it? What happened? No. You cannot be sure.
You were there. You heard him call my name. You don't even know my name. He called my full names. Look, I was told that when I was little, when my father was beating me, that was where the problem started. My mother left my father and went to marry another man whose wife died.
If this is true, what do we do? What do we do?
I don't know. Just tell everyone out there to go. I don't want to see anyone.
Please, I'm looking for Roma.
Oga Roma?
Yes.
He has gone to his shop now.
Please, direct me to that place. I need to see him. It's very urgent.
Summit?
Yes.
He stays at Summit.
Summit,
that is where he sells his newspaper.
Where in Summit?
You don't know Summit? Wabadawa, straight. Summit, straight down.
Oh, yeah, no.
Madam.
Yes. Please, I need to see Romanis. I've seen her daughter, so I want us to go there so that I can claim her.
Oh,
yes.
Hey, thank God though.
Yes.
Oh!
Please, how can I get him? How can I find
This
him?
will be the highest news of his life.
Yes.
Let me direct you.
Okay.
You know Summit, I'm the one directing. When you get to Summit, you now go by your left, like Madam.
Left now, left.
After that police station.
Left,
The corner. Oh, Madam, wait now. The place is not that far.
God, I thank you. Oh. Hey, God, I thank you. I thank you, God. Finally, I have seen my daughter.
Don't say that she's my daughter.
What is going on here? I won't allow you to take my daughter away from me.
All I know is I've seen my daughter.
I said she's my daughter.
I'm where she's
She is my daughter. Look at me very well. She look like me.
She's my daughter. No, what's going on?
She is my daughter. She is my daughter. Look at her very well. Call her out. You say that she's my daughter.
Where she's fair. When she sees me, she will not leave me. She will want to go with me. Please call her for me. Nkechi is her name.
She is my daughter.
Not she's my daughter. Believe me. I'll tell you proof. She's my daughter.
She is not
Yes,
her
she is my daughter.
She's my daughter. She is my daughter. Look at her very well. She look like me.
Quiet.
Yeah, there you are. Her name is not Nkechi. This is the girl I've been looking for the past 22 years. And now she's back to me.
I don't know what you're talking about. She's my daughter.
She's my daughter. She look like me.
Hold on. No. Quiet, sir.
Why?
This way. No.
She needs
This way. Believe me. No. Come out. Bobby.
What a lovely girl. All my life in the city, I've never met a sweet girl like this. Uakachuku, you are the one I will marry. I will never leave you. I know you're a local girl, and I know you are uneducated, but you are the best. I will not miss this opportunity.
Hey, yeah. Eric, I'm going to your bar. Eh? Why I can't wake up for your room?
Nkechi, please. I will explain.
Now wait till you want to explain. I sit down here, drink wine. I wake up for your room. Hey, yeah. Make it no be say you don't use me. I try kwanaya. In a new friend neku.
Nkechi, please calm down and sit down. Let's talk.
And I see him sit. I see him sit so we can talk. I leave shop. Come day here, they sleep. You buy me phone, give me wine, I sleep go. If you dash me house, all can muzienu. I see him sit.
Nkechi, please calm down and sit down. Let's talk.
And I say sit down, let's talk.
That's it.
Right? You give me phone, give me wine, I don't sleep. If you come give me house, all can muzienu. I say sit down.
Nkechi, I'm sorry. Okay. Nkechi.
What type of stupid thing is this? Why will Nkechi go to the market and stay this long? On Apodala or Guinea? I have called Mama Emeka and she said Nkechi left her shop since. Hey! In that case, she's no longer at the market. Eh? And where will she be now? If anything happens to this girl, what am I going to tell my sister? Eh? What am I going to tell my sister? Let me go and look for her. Look for her? Where? Where are you going to look for her? Wait, did she go out with her phone? Yes, she left with her phone. I don't have the number now. Eh? It's only that boy that has the number. And he was calling her when she left this place. Hey! Hey, whoa! Hey! Can't see Kwano? Eh? He's up to something. That young man is up to something. That was why he gave her that phone in the first place. Eh? What kind of temptation is this? Hey!
It's normal. It's a miracle. I'm so happy for you.
I don't know what to say. All I just have to tell you is thank you. You've been of immense help to me since I got back. And Daddy, thank you so much for coming around. I have missed you. I missed you so much. Like, where have you been all these years?
I missed it. Ever since you left me, my life has been in shambles. I passed through many things, terrible things.
I'm so sorry.
I've been miserable. I took to the newspaper business because my business collapsed. But I had a strong hope that one day I'll see you.
And I'm so happy that I found you. But Daddy, why did Mom leave you? Why would she do such a thing?
She said she needed to enjoy life.
Daddy, you know what we're going to do? You and I will look for her. Because I need to look her straight to the face and tell her how she hurt me so bad.
They never told me she came some time ago.
She hurt me so bad. So bad.
Now bring them here. Akabeke they make person hit you. On the money hit you. Akacharema ifo cholo goleme. She go make you happy. She go make you shout to her. Akabeke, you go person no. Jikwa breki.
Hey, wake up.
We don't know what you they do. We don't know what they do you.
Hey.
Better look at baby. Your wahala plenty. pesino, jikwa breki, iemero madaro. We don't know what you they do, we don't know what they do you. Better look out, baby, your wahala plenty.
Who are you looking for? I am looking for a lady that lives here. She's my daughter.
Madam, my madam is inside. She don't want to see anybody again. She has found her parents.
No! She's my daughter. I'm her mom. I have to see her.
Madam, I'm telling you that she has found her parents. She's inside with her parents.
Bobby, what is it?
Is it not this woman? She says she wants to see madam. And I'm telling her that madam doesn't want to see anybody again.
We don't need you, okay? I found what I'm looking for.
No. You are my daughter. You are my daughter. I'm your mom. No, tell her now.
She used to be your mother. I don't know what happened now.
No, how could you say do a thing like this? See, I'm so sorry I left your father and yourself when you were much younger. I'm so sorry.
Are you so proud to say it?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
My dad and I were actually coming to look for you because I needed to tell you to your face that you're a very evil woman. I don't want to see you.
I'm sorry.
Daddy, let's go.
Please, help me beg her, please.
Daddy, let's go.
Don't talk like that, please.
Bobby!
Please explain to her. No. She's my daughter. She's my daughter. You don't understand it. Leave me alone. Madam, come and go. Madam, respect to them now. This is not fair. Madam, explain to her now. Come and go now. Come on, go away from here. Explain to her. She's my daughter.
You hate her, right? She said she hates you. So fucking get out of here.
I left your father and outside. You're my daughter. Come on,
get out of this place. Wow.
They make person hit you. On the man hit you. I catch your if
Auntie, she's here.
She go make you shout to her. Akabeke, you go wound person. Jikwa breki, iemero madaro. We don't know what you they do. We don't know what they do you.
You see how the table turned? And now, Almighty Eric is under my control.
So you're the one behind this? Huh? You will never escape this.
What was it you called me the other day? Ron's girl, Abi? I will kill you to show you what Ron's girls do to Ron's men like you. Eric, who you feel say you be? Eh? You've taken so much advantage of girls in this town just because you have some chicken change with you. You see me? I will kill you and put a stop to that your madness. You see your car? It is now mine. I go drive around this town, nothing will happen.
Kill me. Your sister messed up with me. And you think you can shoot me. Okay, dare it. Yes, dare it.
Guys, let's move it.
She go make you happy. She go make you shout to her. Akabeke, you go win person. Jikwa breki, iye meru madaru. We don't know what you they do. We don't know what they do you. Better look out, baby. Your wahala plenty. Akabeke, you go win person. Jikwa breki, iye meru madaru. We don't know what you they do. We don't know what they do you. Better look out, baby. Your wahala plenty.
You mean she rejected you? Eh?
Your former husband should have gone with you now.
I know he told her a lot of terrible things about me that make her hate me. I regret leaving her, but I just pray they will both forgive me.
No, Mom, she will. Don't worry, she will forgive you. She will forgive you. And that's why we didn't go with you in the first place.
I didn't want her to see you both. It will break her heart more.
Mommy, it's okay. Since you've known the place now, you keep going there every day. Do you say hi? Do you talk to her?
I wish I could forgive myself even if she doesn't forgive me. I pray I will forgive myself.
It's okay.
My daughter.
Hello, how you doing?
Is this not that girl on TV? Ogaroma, so you even know her?
She is my daughter. This is the reason. The reason I went into newspaper business is finally over. This is the girl.
Ready?
I've seen her.
Sister, welcome. Thank God for bringing you back to Ogaroma.
Yes.
At least now his life will change. Or better.
This is exactly the place I was batting you before those devils stole you. Hey! Thank God, I finally seen you. Hey. Oh, I God. God.
Daddy, you know what? From now henceforth, you're not going to leave here anymore. You're going with me to the city.
Hey! Onye campus. Bye-bye.
Are you not going to show me inside?
Easy.
Daddy, take it easy.
You don't have to cry like this now. One day she will get to realize that it was only a mistake that you made.
You've seen her and you've showed her you regret everything that happened.
I pray first for her to forgive me. I pray for her to forgive me. Mama, forgive me.
Mom,
she will.
Mom, she will. She's human. She will forgive you. She has your number. She will call you, okay?
Please don't call me. Don't call me. I miss her so much. I miss her so much. I miss Mama. I miss my daughter. I miss my daughter.
She's also our sister too.
I miss my daughter so much.
Why now? Where did you kill him? Why?
I showed him what Ron's girls do to Ron's men. Let him rest in peace so that other girls in the city will rest too.
No, you went too far. You shouldn't have killed him. You would have collected his money and go.
Amaka, so this is how to appreciate me for what I did for you. Eh? If you like, go and tell the police that I killed him. You're on your own. But right now, we are packing and we are leaving for the village with his car.
Now?
If you don't want to come, you can stay here. Eh? You can stay.
Dema, what am I?
Can you imagine what your stupidity has cost me? Because of you, I did not cook. Not even rice. And you know what that means? Ibonyala, I'm asking you now, Kuala.
Very, very sober.
I'm sober. Hey, just shut up. Shut up with him that sober. Shut up. Just hold it there. I don't blame you. I blame my sister. Do you know how much I've spent on you ever since you were born? Do you know? Let me hear fame from you now. Anumanu. Unyala.
Mommy, please, it's okay. We should be thankful that this foolish guy she went to see didn't even take advantage of her. If something bad had happened to her, you know you won't be talking about cooking and selling. Please, Mommy, it's okay. Please just forgive her.
I am very, very sober.
Daddy, your daughter has prepared you a local delicacy for the first time after so many years. I hope you enjoy it.
Now, Mom, it is now that I can eat good food. Come back to normal life.
Daddy, my name is Nama, not Nama. I don't know what you're saying.
I don't even know how to pronounce your name. Your name is Norma. It is this white man that don't even know how to pronounce your name. They call you Nama. No, it is Norma. Norma.
Alright, sir. Alright. Don't worry. Very soon, and I mean very soon, I'll take you to the States.
Hey.
So that you know where I grew up.
Well, US. I'll be eating burger. Enjoy myself. Okay. I know you make me proud.
Of course, I always do that. Daddy, there's something that's been going through my mind since I met you. Dad, I know Mom hurt her so bad. She abandoned us and all that, but Daddy, I would really love you to forgive her. I want to see her. I want to see my mom. There's a reason I came back. I just need to fulfill that reason and be happy. Please.
That woman. I've even forgotten about her. In fact, I'm even planning that this is the right time for me to go and collect the bride price I paid on her head.
Daddy, I really don't know how that works here in Africa, but I would really love us to see her. I want to see her. Okay?
You have just messed my appetite.
Daddy, I'm so sorry. You want me to join you? Then don't worry. When we see, I will sort all that out, okay?
Akachi. Look, what Auntie said was not wrong. What you did wasn't right at all. But you cannot sit here and cry all day. Come to the backyard, we have enough work to do and I cannot do them alone. You have to stop crying. Come, I'm waiting for you at the backyard. The work is too much.
Mama, hey, where is Ngozi?
She's not yet back from school.
Okay.
Who owns the car?
Mama. Mama Mayana. Am I not good enough to own a car?
She the man came.
Ma, you should be thanking God. Your daughter is now a car owner.
Ma, baku ya ba. Omba. Omba ya ba.
Mama, it's my car.
She the man came.
Mama.
She the man. Moto.
What am you like? My daughter. My madam does not want to see you. She has seen her father. She's with her father inside. See, I'm her daughter. I know I must have wronged her. I came to ask for forgiveness. Please, let me see her. I don't want you to put you in trouble. I won't put you in trouble. Let's go inside. Let's go inside. Madam, wait. Let's go inside. No, let me from here.
What are you doing here?
I came to see you. If you want me to know that, I will. Please. I'm so sorry. I offended you, Romanos, please. I'm sorry, Biko.
It's not a matter of kneeling down or not. I am disappointed in you. I was pretty little. I was so small. Why would you abandon me? Why would you abandon myself and Dad? What did I do to you?
You did absolutely nothing, honestly. But I know I did something wrong to you. That's why I'm here to apologize, please. Romanos, please. I'm sorry. Please.
You need some rest here. You've worked so hard today, so go and rest.
Hey, Romanos, don't do that now. Because I'm sorry, please. I'm your mother and you're my daughter, please. I'm so sorry. I did ugly things to you. I'm sorry, please. Please, if I find it in your heart to be, forgive me, okay? Please, Romanos, please, help me to beg her, please. Hey, please, my darling, I'm so sorry, okay? Oh, God bless you, darling. God bless you. God bless you. It's okay. It's okay, darling. It's okay. It's okay. I'm so sorry, okay? I'm so sorry. I did a lot of work like this. I'm so sorry.
Hey, Oga Roma, you mean you've seen your daughter?
Yes, sir. Hey, I'm so happy. My life has changed. That's why I come. I said, make I tell you people, make una join me. Thank God. In fact, she is the owner of the car I came with. We don't even pack for no house.
Oga Roma,
just go. Hey.
I don't know, see, you go see your picture.
Yes.
As I dey here now, I would like to see my papa. Make I go find out. But Mban, because he don't die, I know one die.
Don't shut up. Shut up your mouth. Make sure no.
Okay.
You don't know what to say. Keep quiet.
Leave her now. You know I'll catch you.
I beg, no forget me.
forget you now? How can I forget you, Aka? I will always remember you. In fact, I will give you my phone number and the address of the place we are living so that anytime you can go, you are free. Hey.
I'm inside, Ogaroma.
Uloma, you can't go now. This is the time that we need you the most here.
Chief, my family needs me. My real family. I have to go to be with them.
Mom, let me ask you one question. If you had not met with your daughter again, would you have left us?
Ekene, I have learned to be with Romanus. For the past 22 years, he's been patient and he refused to marry.
Mommy, please. You can still be going to see her. Please don't leave us.
Yes, please.
You people should try and understand me. Try and understand me. But my family needs me. I miss my daughter. Leave me alone, please.
Uloma, you can't just go like that. Don't go. Don't go.
Chief, I expect you to understand this. My real family needs me. Please.
Mommy, please.
Ella, please, I'm leaving.
D-E-A-D, dead! That's a promise.
It's God. It's not that I think God loves you so much. That's what He's for your life.
I still have to thank you too. Because if not for you, I would have died there.
It's okay, it's okay. It's all God anyway. He sent me to save you.
You're right.
I think I have to be going now. Yeah!
It's okay.
Let's forget your phone. Take. Okay? Check off so that it will heal very well, okay?
This is the phone I was rushing to give to the owner before those guys blocked me. I would deal with Chidinma. She's running, right? It's okay. Chidinma has the gut to shoot me. Anyway, she's not my problem now.
You know what? I will advise you to lie low. For now, okay? Because whoever has shot you really wants you dead. You get it? If they see you, I swear you're going in for it. Please, please, you need to lie low, okay? I have to be on my way, huh? Gosh. Take care of yourself.
Yeah, take care too.
Yeah.
Hello, my people.
Daddy.
Good afternoon.
Daddy, you're welcome.
Yes.
You're also maid?
No, she's not a maid. This is Akachukwu, my very good friend.
Good afternoon. So if she's not a maid, so who is she?
Oh, well, I used to eat in her auntie's restaurant. Yes, but she had problem with her auntie, so she sent her out.
So sad. Don't worry, you're welcome. We'll make you comfortable.
Aka, come, let me show you.
Easy.
She has to carry on. So sad.
Mommy. Yes. I would want to take you to a very exquisite salon.
Look at this, sir. Please be strong.
What happened to her?
I have to confess to you.
What happened to Amaka?
She's died because she took drugs for abortion.
Hey! Abo! Abo! Hey!
She has been pregnant since we got back here.
Hey!
And the truth is, we had to watch the guy that got her pregnant and we took his car.
What? Chidima, you say you did what? Hey!
Onye ka m ga-akọrọ? Ka onye m ga-akọrọ Chidimma ịlapụta m. Chidimma ịlapụta m. Amaka, Chidimma ka ife ịlapụta m.
That's not nice. Okay, even if she's impregnated by a man, can't you look after her? I mean, just like your own child. You sent her out. Ha! Katie, I don't expect this from you. You're my sister now. No, don't talk to me. Leave me for her. Up here. What is this? How can you? Look at what you have gotten yourself into. How can you? Why will you do this to me? Where are you? Where do you want me to come and look for you so that I can bring you home? Take care of. How are you now?
I'm fine. Mama, you're crying. What is wrong with you?
I'm okay. I'm not crying.
Okay, Mama, I came to tell you that I'll be traveling to the city. And Nkechi told me she was going to Asaba. So, I don't know if you have the address of her house, so you can give me. When I get there, I will check on her.
No, I don't know. I don't know the address. As you're looking at me, I am heartbroken. My sister just called me now to tell me that Nkechi was impregnated by him.
Jesus! Hey! Oh! Nkechi, why now? Hey!
I don't know.
But wait though. How could Nkechi get to the city and allow herself to be impregnated by just a city man?
No, I don't know at all. Even though what Nkechi did was an abomination.
Mama, but your sister wouldn't have sent her out from the house now.
Oh. I don't understand it. Even though what Nkechi did was an abomination, where does she want her to go to? Who does she want her to run to? Nkechi doesn't know anywhere in the city.
I wish I know the address of that place. I would have gone there to look for her myself. I don't know, dear. Mama.
I don't know too.
Crying,
No, I'm not crying.
Ogaroma, if you want to go with her, go! I don't want to live with her again. I don't want to stay with her. You can take her and stay with her in your own house. I don't want her. And for your information, I've already called the mother. So she's aware.
That wasn't the right thing to do. You know it. Nkechi was entrusted to your care. She is your own blood. What if it is your own daughter that was the victim?
I will do the same thing. You heard me? I said I will do the same thing. I will do the same thing. I've even told her, if you ever try it, it's not in our blood. The little chance I gave Nkechi, she messed it up. Oh, messed it up. No, they get it.
Well, I can feel your anger. She is right now in my daughter's house until your anger comes.
My anger will not calm down. I have said it before and I'm repeating it again. You can take Nkechi and live with her. But let her go. It's better for you. Leave Nkechi, let her go back to the village so that the mother will take care of her. The young man that got her pregnant has disappeared.
She told me it was that guy that bought her a phone. I know that guy. I swear. Anywhere I get him, I must bring him down for doing this to Akabeke.
It's your choice. Only feature.
Akachiko, how could you have allowed a man to put you in such condition?
It's not right at your age.
Yes, and your father will be the one to cater for her.
I beg, Mom. Na mistake I make. Oga Romano, he be like my papa. Make una no drive me, I beg. I sabi cook, I sabi clean, I sabi wash. Make I be house girl for you. I go do everything for the house.
No, it's okay, it's okay. Do this.
Let's not get into this.
No, please stand up.
Let's not get into this. Stand,
please.
Just nobody's driving.
You just have to stand up.
Okay? Please.
Yes.
Yeah. Liko, stand up. Okay?
Yes.
Nobody's driving you away.
It is sure.
Yes, please. Okay?
Okay, Mom.
I just want you to know that you're not in this alone.
Yes.
Mom, Dad, and I will take good care of you.
Yes, we will.
You're not alone.
Thank you, Mom.
Okay?
Thank you, okay?
Make I go inside.
Please, Jojo, go inside and relax, okay?
Such a drama queen, you can go inside.
Okay.
Madam Kate, honestly, I am here to see her. Please.
Just shut up. Shut up! You're here to see her. You're seeing her for what? After you got her pregnant, you ran away. What kind of person are you? Onyoshi? Onyoshuku? No, shut up!
Okay, wait. Did you say she's pregnant?
Yes! You heard me right. She's pregnant. When she told me that you gave her a phone, I knew you were up to something. I'm no Onyoshi Kebo. But God will not allow you leave. God must punish you. Onyoshi.
Okay. Madam Kate, is okay. I am sorry, but I will tell you the truth. Okay?
Sorry.
See, I love that girl. And I would love to marry her. I love her very much. See, Madam Kate, that day she came to my house, she forgot her phone and I was rushing out to go and give her her phone before I got abducted by the bad boys and got shot. Since then I've been in the hospital. See my hand, I'm not lying to you. Yes, I got shot.
Hi, Big Daddy. Hi. I greet you.
You see, I told you you will like this place. Yes. And that's why I said we are not going back to the village. So that you will stay here and enjoy yourself.
In fact, now for your body, I know say God day. Because as you find your pikin, everything just change. I do like him. Poor Manos. You would have told me that both of you are this close.
Oloma, Akachukwu is fun to be with. You need to come close to her. That's remind me. Your auntie called to say that guy that got you pregnant will be coming here today.
They come here, I can't do it. How you know I dey here? Make him no come.
Don't worry. When he comes, you hear him out.
No.
No, that one he will come. He will come.
Chidinma, no way. No way! You must take this car back to the owner. Or else, I'll set it at place. Mama, what?
Mama, why are you doing this now?
Mama, what?
Mama, why are you doing this? Mama, see, I cannot take this car back. I cannot take it back. He will arrest me.
My daughter cannot be a thief. You cannot be a thief. You must send it back to the owner now. Now, Chidinma, not even tomorrow. Not even in the evening. I'll burn this car.
Mama, calm down.
Chidinma,
Mama, calm down.
I'll burn this car.
Mama, wait.
I will shout. Why can't I shout?
Mama, wait. Okay. I will take the car back.
Chidinma.
But you have to give me time. Let me think on how to do it.
Time? You say time?
For what?
Mama, let me think now.
Chidinma, take it back. Are you taking it back now?
Mama, stop this thing you're
I'll
doing.
burn it,
Stop this.
I'll burn it, oh.
I will take it back. Give me time. Now, Mama, Mama.
Chidinma.
Daddy? I need to go get something. I'll be right back.
Mama, you've been on and off since today. Why not stay a little with me?
Daddy, I need to go get something. I'm not a kid. Yeah. Daddy, I know, right? Don't worry, I should be back.
Ulama! What is it? Ulama! Come on!
Again.
What is it? No, get me the khaki. Get me the khaki.
What is it?
Please, go and get me khaki.
Get
me the khaki first.
What is it?
Don't do this, please. Don't do this.
My drug.
Ulama, stop crying. She's still alive.
What could have happened to her like that? What is happening to my baby?
You wait. When the doctor comes, he'll tell us.
My baby. Nobert.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, madam. Sir, may I have a word with you?
Doctor, tell us what is wrong with her. Tell us what is wrong with her daughter.
Doctor.
I want to know what is wrong with her.
Doctor. I'm her father. She's her mother. Talk to us.
Well, how long have you noticed this happens to her?
Today.
Today? And he says she's your daughter?
Doctor, you see, she was separated from us for about 22 years. We just found her, that's why we don't know anything about this.
No wonder. Well, I guess there is no better time than now to let you both know this. Sir, madam, our recent diagnosis on your daughter just confirmed that she's been sick with chronic myelogenous leukemia.
What is that?
Look at what?
By that I mean cancer of the blood.
Listen, doctor. Talk to me, I'm a man. Don't tell me that she's going to the place.
Sir. Your daughter is sick, yes. Maybe. But look at it on the brighter side. I and my medical team will make sure we do our best possible to ensure that your daughter comes out of this. You have my word.
That's what's in the boy, but that's what's in the boy.
I'm so sorry. You know, since then I've been in the hospital. Nkechi, I don't care about what people are talking about you. As for me, you are the best woman on earth. So, I'm sorry.
Now that one could make me forgive you. Because my auntie thing say I not be anybody. But I won't prove to am say I be somebody. Who be this girl wey shoot you? Wetin you do?
Is one Chidinma like that? She said I wronged her sister. She came and shot me. And even took my car.
Hi! So you no get motor again? Hi, that's your fine car with the tam-tam. Hey!
Don't worry, my car is coming in tomorrow. Okay? I will wait and see the man that keeps you here. I spoke with him on the phone. So that I, you and him will talk when I'm coming to pay your dowry. Akachukwu, will you marry me?
Yeah. Okay. Imoma, you no go kneel down and ask me the question.
Oh. I'm so sorry. Okay? I'm sorry. I'm kneeling down now. Will you marry me? Even though the ring is not here.
I go marry you. That one. Oh, my come.
How is she? No. I come with the files you told me to bring.
Daddy. 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 The documents that you're with are very, very important documents. They contain everything that I own. Everything that I own, both in cash and all my properties abroad and here in Nigeria. Daddy.
Chili, why you take it easy? You know you'll be fine.
There's a second file. The second file contains a number. The number is my lawyer's number. You call him as soon as possible.
Why are you telling us all this?
I have willed everything in your name, Daddy. Everything that I own. Mommy?
You don't know why you're not we love you too, baby. It's okay. It's okay. Do you know why It's okay. It's okay. Do you know why
Norma, you know, I told you I love you.
We love you too, baby. Hey, just take it.
Norma, we love you.
Norma, you'll be fine. Nothing will happen to you.
She's sleeping.
No, she has slept off.
We love you.
Norma.
Norma, I said we love you. Don't worry, we love you.
She has slept off.
Norma.
She has slept off.
Somebody's talking to us now. Nurse! Doctor! Nurse is coming.
What is it? We were just discussing with her and she slept off.
No.
She just slept off.
Let me call the doctor, sir.
I think she's resting.
No, we love you so
yes,
much.
we do, baby, we do. We're waiting for you to...
Doctor is here.
Doctor, she slept off.
It's not normal. We are talking...
I'm sorry, sir. We lost her.
You're telling me sorry. I said you should examine wake her up from sleep. You're telling me sorry.
We did our best in circumstance. We tried to contain her, we tried to revive her, but there was nothing we could do.
Hey! No!
So Akachu, what can I do to make you happy?
School. I go like to go school. They don't too use and cost me say I no go school. I go won't go school. Even though I get belly, I no care. I won't go school.
It's okay, you must. Even if that will be the last thing I do. You must go to school. Okay? Once my car comes in tomorrow, we'll go to the village to see your mother.
Hi! Mama go happy. Hi! She go happy. Hey! Too happy. Hello? Big Daddy. I live for my husband's house. You say? No tell me that kind of thing. Hey! 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 Don't tell me that kind of thing, no! Don't tell me that kind of thing! Chiba!
God, who is after me? Why must you bring me to this river? You never allowed me to drink from it, and now it has tried. God, is it fair?
Please calm down and take it easy, okay?
Mama, no worry, yeah? She go soon well now. My husband they come. He get money where? He go take care of you, yeah? My daughter, I'm so happy. I'm so happy for you. God has remembered you. Today, Mama, today will be the best day in your life. Mama, you no lie. Because I happy well. I happy. All those people waiting inside the grace. They don't know say God get plan for me. Them things see as my papa die, I no go survive. But see am now. God plan another thing for me. Now yeah, they enjoy, so no worry. Yeah? My husband, a fine ball, and he gets money. They go soon the share, you go see. No worry. Share my brother's you see?
Now welcome, Akabeke. Come today.
Mama, how are you?
Grace?
Yes. Grace. You mean our neighbor then?
Grace? Yes.
No, sir.
You know her? Yes.
Mama, I'm very sick. I am so sick. But there's something I want to tell you. Each and every one of you. Romance. Oguegbu is your daughter.
Mom, what did you do?
How do you mean? We found our daughter and she died recently.
Sure. Mama. I am very serious, Romance. Oguegbu is normal. I was the one that stole her the day you were betting her. I stole her and ran to this village where nobody. Where nobody will recognize her. And look at what life is. Fate has brought both of you together again.
Grace, how could you do a thing like that? Okay, what about Norma, our daughter that just died?
No. I did not.
Eh?
I don't want to hear this kind of thing. I don't want to hear this kind of thing. I don't want to hear this kind of thing. I don't want to hear this kind of thing.
Akachukwu.
You mean she's our daughter?
What exactly is going on here?
Wait, Nachuku.
Hi.
When did you return from the city?
Hey. Akachukwu.
What?
Akachukwu. Please. Jesus. Chidima.
Harry.
Chidima. Waiting. You know This is my car. That's the girl I told you that shot me.
Chidima.
Yes. Wait, no worry. I know their house. No worry. That's my car. Make we go to their house. Wait. My car. This is bad. Let's go.
Grace, you were evil. You were evil for doing this to us.
Let's go. My daughter, God has been so faithful to us. He separated us for many years. Now He brings us back together. He first brought an angel to bless us. May her soul rest in peace.
Amen.
He has blessed you today and given you a man. That is why all of us are here to celebrate. So, take this cup from me. Go round and show us who that man is.
Your husband.
Ayoma. Ayoma.
Yeah, come on.
Akanya.
Now, my blessing is for God to bless you people abundantly.
Amen.
You will never lack.
Amen.
He will give you, okay?
Amen.
Oh yeah.
He said,
and God will gather all the fruits that will make your family prosper.
Amen.
Honey?
Yeah, baby.
Did you smell cocky?
No. Did you check inside my room?
Well, yes, I have. I've been looking for it everywhere.
Inside the cupboard?
It's not there. Can I borrow yours? Please say yes.
It's
Please
okay,
say
it's
yes.
okay, you can use mine.
Thank you. I'm off for lectures. Mommy's off for lectures.
Now who bring them here? Akabeke, they make person hit you. On the money hit you. Akacharema, if for cholo goyeme, she go make you happy. She go make you shout to her. Akabeke, you go wound person. Jikwa breki, iemelo madaro. We don't know what you they do. We don't know what they do you. Better local baby, your wahala plenty. Akabeke, you go wound person. Jikwa breki, iemelo madaro. We don't know what you they do. We don't know what they do you. Better local baby, your wahala plenty.